Welcome to this training module on navigating the results pages within Lexis Diligence. Once you've commenced your search on the entity of your choice, the results pages will be displayed. On the top of the screen, you will see each of the areas we ran our search through. These tabs keep the content types distinct. We are currently in the News tab, which is subdivided into negative and general news, provided we selected both these checkboxes from the search form. At the top of the screen, you can see the actual number of results found, up to 65,000 documents. Within our current default settings, we are seeing 100 results per page, and you can see the document range in the center of the screen just above the first headline, 1 to 100. Other display options can be found under your user preferences. For instance, you may prefer to view 50 results per screen, or you may wish to view as little as 10 at a time. The choice is yours. On the left-hand side of the screen, there is a field named Narrow Your Results. This works the same as the additional search terms field from the search form. We may enter more search terms and use connectors to narrow our results further. Below the Narrow Your Results box is a panel which displays alternative means to organize your results. Clicking on the different hyperlinks will narrow your results down into different source types, individual sources, subject, industry, company, and language. The numbers within the brackets after each group is the amount of results that have been found in that grouping. Above the results on the right-hand side of the screen is the View drop-down list. This enables us to select different ways to view our results. Included in this drop-down is the option for Expanded List, which displays the titles of the documents together with the words you search on, and approximately 5 words either side so you can see the words in context. List View will display the most concise result information, and finally full text. Once we have viewed our results, we may decide that the search we ran was not quite right and we want to change some of our search criteria, like the date range or source group. You can edit your search from the results page by clicking onto the blue Edit Search link on the top left-hand corner of the screen under the Narrow Your Results box. This will open up another screen that contains your original search criteria, so you can amend it accordingly. If you have now completed your search and you would like to start a brand new search, click on the New Search link next to the Edit link at the top left-hand side of the screen. This will return you to your start page so you can carry out a new search. After viewing our news results, we can click onto the tabs running across the top of the screen to view results found for directors and shareholders, biographical sources, sanctions and warnings, PEPs, and so on. As you can see, if we select directors and shareholders, the layout of the screen will be the same. However, on this page we are viewing information aggregated from company reports. The Narrow Your Results tools that we highlighted earlier in this module, such as the ability to narrow by keyword or selecting a filter, will be available within each tab you visit. Only the narrowing method will be applied to the content you are viewing on each selected tab. Alternatively, you could organize your results using the results grouping on the left to highlight reports such as mergers and acquisitions activity, or organize your reports by name by selecting source. Once you've located articles or reports of interest from any of the results pages within Lexis Diligence, you can use the delivery icons on the top left-hand side of the screen to print, email, or download your results. Let's look at printing first. Click on the print icon on the left-hand side of the screen and a pop-up window will be displayed. From this window you can select the view of the document you wish to be printed, if it's full text, or if you want the results printed in either expanded or list view. In addition to this, you need to select your document range. If you have a single document open, the service will default to Current Document. If you have no documents selected, it will default to All Documents. However, you can now change the radio button to either All or enter the number of results you'd like to print within the document range. Finally, add any comments you feel are relevant to the information you found. Click on the Print button. Let's look at emailing your results. As with print, click onto the email icon on the top left-hand corner of your screen. A pop-up window will now be displayed. We have 6 areas to complete. First, select how you want the email to be sent. The default is as an attachment, and click on the drop-down list for further options. Then choose the format, Word, PDF, or HTML. Then, as with the printing options, choose your results format and document range. Enter between 1 and 3 emails. If you are using more than one, make sure you separate each one with a semicolon. Once you've used this feature, your email will be remembered in the previously entered email addresses box. Finally, add any comments you feel may be relevant to the documents you've selected, and select the red email button to send. Lastly, let's look at how we would save the articles to a destination of our choice by selecting Download. Upon clicking this icon, a pop-up window is displayed. The options are the same as we covered earlier for both print and email. Select the file format, the results format, your document range, and add comments. Then select the red Download button. Once the results are ready to be downloaded, a blue hyperlink will be displayed in a new pop-up window, and you can right-click on this to save it to a destination of your choice. The final delivery option is to add your articles to the report builder, either by tagging them or selecting the document icon at the end of each document. This feature enables you to select a number of documents to build into a report. Each document will be saved in the report builder link at the top center of your screen and stay there for 24 hours and can be accessed any time by clicking onto the link. Please see alternative modules for utilizing this tool. Remember that you can also deliver pages displaying no documents found to both your report builder and via the immediate delivery options for audit purposes. If you'd like to complete a new search, click on the New Search link on Lexis Diligence logo to return to the home page. This concludes this module. For more guidance on Lexis Diligence, please see further modules.